Okay, so doctor, when we are thinking about patient having headache with a red flag, so we having three aims. Okay, we have to rapidly identify the life-threatening or serious secondary cause, like say patient come with some sort of limb weakness and time duration. We have to differentiate between the primary versus secondary headache. Second thing, safety netting and arrange urgent referral when indicated. So these are the agendas in the OSCE scenarios you have to get it. So how we are going to go for a data gathering, doctor? Data gathering, doctor, based on the pain. For example, patient came with a headache, so we start from the Socrates. Okay, whether this patient having pain, where can you tell me where is the pain? Doctor, I am having right side or left side or my both side, occipital region or frontal region. Okay, how this started? Doctor, suddenly it was started like the thunderclap or versus gradually. Doctor, it's been 10 days, doctor, or 15 days. I'm facing this headache slowly, but gradually it is getting worse. Then we have to talk about the character. So whether patient having this throbbing or pressure-like symptoms or someone is stabbing. Then we have to talk about radiation. In that one, we will be looking at a neck, where it goes like say neck, go to the neck or jaw or the face. Then associated symptom, doctor, always mandatory. Associated symptom, it's not mandatory that you are going to ask everything. For example, patient had sudden headache. Okay, so I should not ask about phonophobia or photophobia. I'll be thinking about nausea and vomiting, and I'll be talking about speech disturbances and weakness of the limb. Either four or five, huh? But I will not be talking about photophobia, phonophobia, because those related to the gradual onset of headaches. Okay, yes, confusion, recent history of fever or ongoing fever, rashes over the body, neck stiffness, seizures, personality changes. So based on the scenario, you can think about from associated symptom, doctor. Many of us, we do the mistake when we are talking about associated symptoms. So we go with whole list. No, doctor, it is a time consuming. Then doctor, let's talk about timing. When it started, it's new or recurrent? How frequent it is there? Like say, if it is recurrent, whether you're getting this problem in early morning or waking from the sleep, these are the red flags, doctor. Okay, worse on the lying or standing. Okay, valsalva or exertion while doing defecation, while coughing, you're getting. Okay, so what are the exacerbating factors are there when you are relieving factors? Like say, doctor, my headache is like say, I mean, I'm taking this brufen tablet, it goes back, doctor. It settled down. We have to see the analgesic response. But doctor, when I'm having the pressure, doctor, I feel that I can't tolerate the pain. Doctor, when I'm turning right, I can't get my eyesight properly. Or cough. So how about severity? How about your work is getting impact or not? Okay, so this is about the Socrates. So let's talk about red flags, doctor. This is most must actively screen. This is a what we examiner wanted to see from your side. Like say thunderclap. Onset, worst ever headache, they will be saying reaching the maximal intensity in seconds to the minutes. This is the red clap or a red flag. Okay. Now headache with what? New neurological deficit like say weakness, speech, vision change, ataxia or seizure. This kind of patient will be giving in the history. Okay. Reduce GCS, doctor. You say, doctor, I can't. He will be giving you some sort of, vague history, confusion, personality or behavioral changes. Maybe he is aggressive or mood swings are there in gradual onset of headache. Okay. Fever, rash, neck stiffness, photophobia. Yes, can happen. Meningitis or something. Okay. Recent head injury or recent accident. Doctor, I banged my head 2 days ago while driving. New onset in the age more than 50 is a red flag. If patient having known cancer, he's on immunocompression medication, or he's having HIV. These are the red flag. Patient is a pregnant but simple headache is red flag. Patient is a postpartum with headache is a red flag. Change in the pattern of existing headache. Doctor, I was getting this head initially on the right side, suddenly shifted to left side, progressive or worsening. Doctor, it's not getting better now. I'm taking 3 time medicine or 4 time medication. Sometimes headache because of the medication overusage. Okay. Headache worsen on waking up is a red flag with coughing, straining, lying flat means raised ICP signs are there. Okay. Associated symptom like say, doctor, giant cell arteritis, we have to exclude out with a jaw claudication, scalp tenderness, visual loss in older patient, doctor. So these are the red flags. How you going to, sorry, you are going to talk about headache history patient. Okay, where you have to dig out what might be the diagnosis. So our red flags are not necessary to touch each and everything. Based on the history, patient having the fever, you talk about rashes, neck stiffness, and photophobia, doctor. Okay, or recent injury. But you're talking about cancer, immunosuppression, or other things, then it will not be effective because patient already given the history of because this is a gradually or a thunderclap. So of course, doctor, background is is most important. We have to think about migraine history, trauma, hypertension, and clotting history. In the family history, we have to talk about subarachnoid hemorrhage and aneurysm and migraine. Drug history, patient might be taking some anticoagulants, patient might be on contraceptive pills, and recent medication changes and overuse of analgesia. Okay, this is what we are going to talk about. Now, headache can be because of some social factors, doctor, like say stress, sleep deprivation, overusage of caffeine, and work impact. Okay, so this is what as usual we are going to talk about. What do you think about it is, and what is your concern on that one? How can I help you in this regard, and how does this impact your life? You are going to summarize, Mr. Khan. You came to this. You came with a history of headache, which is been 1 week. Initially, it was slower down, but now it is worsened and it's not improving with the medication. You think that you might be suffering from the tumor, and you want some investigation done. Is that okay, or is there anything else you want to add? This is a summary. Okay. So then you are going to for examination. If your patient is face to face, like say not in dementia and not in where it is mentioned, examination is not required. So we are going to look at the patient general physical examination, doctor. Most important thing after blood pressure and everything, temperature, heart rate, oxygen saturation, we are going to look at patient appearance, distress, rash, and meningism. And neurological exam, doctor, always it will be complete. Cranial nerve examination, we are going to check about the limbs, gait, and coordination. Fundoscopy, doctor, some school of thought say that you have to talk about fundoscopy, but fundoscopy should need a dark room. So if you like, say you are saying, verbalizing that I will be doing your checking your eye behind the eyes, I'll be closing the light of the room, then you do. If you say I will be doing the fundoscopy, examiner will think that you are talking about checklist. Okay, you just did a tick mark on the fundoscopy, but you don't know what is fundoscopy and how it is going to get performed. Okay, and we have to check about temporal arteries and scalps in older adult patient for GCA. Okay, now this is about doctor. We talk about the examination. Let's talk about doctor overview for the management. Any red flags or abnormal neurological findings are there, we are going to refer this patient as a urgent same day assessment in the emergency department via acute pathway or what we call it with ambulance, not with driving himself or herself. If you think about possible subarachnoid hemorrhage, as Dr. Maida was thinking, we are going to think about emergency ambulance transfer to the emergency department. If I'm suspecting Dr. Meningitis, encephalitis in young patient, then this is an emergency transfer. Now, what about suspecting giant cell arteritis? Bit twisted. Urgent same day review and bloods, I'm going to do it, but I'm going to consider immediate steroid as per the local guidelines. Okay, but If reassuring history and examination that this is simple headache, we are going to manage this patient in a primary care, like say migraine, tension type headache with explanation and simple analgesia, or patient already having, the established migraine problem, then we are going to start for a typical migraine some triptan and lifestyle advice and safety netting. Now, doctor, why when you're talking about triptan and topiramate, this kind of thing, if patient is a female, please don't use this word medicines. Okay, and always think about beta blocker if you after ruling out any contraindications. Lifestyle management and safety netting. Now, what is safety netting, doctor? There are two ways are there. If your symptom getting worse and come back to me, if you are running short of time, otherwise you can think about clear advice to seek urgent help if you are getting sudden severe headache, new weakness, confused, fever, neck stiffness, or visual changes. Based on the scenario, doctor, you have to explain, or if headache rapidly worsen or changes in nature. So this is what, doctor, we are talking about headache with red flags. So is there any questions, any query, doctor?